I look like a Oompa Loompa doopity doo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and I'm back with a video. I'm actually gonna be doing my makeup today. Let's just do our makeup together. It's been a while, so I'm excited. If this is your first time here and you want to see more of this face and the beat face and everything else on your feed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so you will be notified when I post videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and of course I'm gonna prime my face. Neutrogena oil free. When I post on Instagram that I was using their primer, they liked my post and I was like, okay, cool beans, cool beans. Also with the mask, I've been getting like breakouts under my chin. So I have one down here and it hurts. Now that we are moisturized, I feel pretty good. I purchased like the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. I got the shade Sable because they don't really have like a wide shade like when Jackie Aina did her collab and she had other shades in between that were kind of missing. They didn't really have other shades, so I went ahead and I got this one. At first I got Cocoa, but I felt like Cocoa was going to be too light for me, so I went ahead and I got Sable. So hopefully it, you know, works well with my skin. Let's go ahead and prime. As you guys know, when I prime, I usually prime my skin using the Milk of Magnesia, but it's sold out. But I was doing research and I was like, I need to know a good mattifying primer. So I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible primer, and I also got the Smashbox as well. So to be honest, I don't know which one I'm gonna be using today. Let's use the Smashbox. So I'm gonna put it right here. If I'm looking this way, it's because that's my mirror right there, but I'm gonna try my best to oh, you see how it already like blurs out the skin? Do you see that? Yeah, I like it. And I'm gonna put some right here. I've used this Smashbox primer before. I don't like the feel of it, which is why I stopped using it, but it does blur out the pores though. Do you guys watch the Real Housewives of Potomac? I usually watch Atlanta, but I was like, let me give Potomac a try. They're really good. This is the foundation. It's oil free, oil controlling, waterproof, and transfer resistant, and it is a 24-hour undetectable super long foundation wear. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pumps. Okay, I feel like it's a little bit like red on me, a lot red, but it's matte. I look like a Oompa Loompa doopity doo. I feel like it looks worse on camera than it does in real life, or maybe I'm tripping. Nope, not tripping. I'm not gonna lie, it's very matte. When I put it on my chest, you can see the difference between the rest of my body and that. It's a little red, but hopefully as I finish the rest of my face, it will be better. As far as it being matte, baby girl, it's matte, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. And then on my nose. I just got this Makeup Revolution. I got another concealer because I have their foundation. You guys, that foundation is amazing. I do wish it was matte, but that foundation is amazing. The coverage is amazing. Like, if you've never tried Makeup Revolution, go ahead and try it out. This one is in the shade C13. a little bit more creamier. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. This is in the shade, oh, Soft Black. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows to the best of my ability. This is where we start to mess up because eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Mine are long lost cousins, so it's cool. I find it better to do the one that I suck at, which is this one, and then this one comes out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. And I am using my, what is this sponge called? I forgot. I'll put it down below because I completely forgot. I'm going to make an attempt to do my eyeshadow. I recently got these little palettes from Colourpop, and this one is called Making Moves. Get it? It's really cute, isn't it? And these are the shades. I'm gonna try to do a little something, a little something. Go ahead and set my under eye, and I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Medium Deep. The shade Solitaire. I'm gonna use that over my lid and see. Put that all over my lid. This is a beautiful shade. Oh wow, this is nice. Go with the shade Marquee right here. I love makeup because you can just do whatever you want, and if it doesn't work out, you try it. Okay, I'm gonna use this shade in my outer corner. Ooh, it's pretty. This is a pretty color. Big Fig. And put that on here. Colourpop, these shades are really pigmented. I'm here for it, okay? Now we gotta go with some glitter. I might go with a la mode and mauve on top. And it's not the best with the brush. I may have to use my hand. I wish the color payout was better on the brush, but if I gotta use my hand, so be it. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Big Ego. I have like the little sample size. They gave like a whole bunch of them at Sephora, and depending on the one that you like, you can go back and get the full size for free. I have yet to go back and get the full size. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade Deep Dark 220C. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Deep. And I'm gonna use that all over my face. I feel like my nose contour is too much. So I don't know what lashes to use. These are like thick, like big old lashes. I think I'm gonna do this one. It's on, and oh my gosh, they're so extravagant. Like I cannot. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush, and I've been loving the Rare Beauty blush. So now that I know how to properly apply it, I've been using it, baby girl. I've been using it. But before we go ahead and add the blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. Use my blush. I love it, you guys. You guys, I really do like it. Like, I'm gonna use my, and then just blend it. Do you guys see this? It's so pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty, 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 so pretty. This makeup is taking longer than I expected. Now we're gonna go ahead and go with highlighter, and for highlight I'm using, of course, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter because I just love this highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe mattifying continuous spray. Shake it up, and it smells really good. Oh, it smells good. It's so windy outside, you guys. By the way, we are dealing with a tropical storm as we speak. ETA, aka Tropical Storm Ada. So, okay, last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and do our lips, our lippy lips. For my lip, I'm gonna be using, this is the NYX lip pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna go ahead and go with MAC. This is called Très Blasé color 404. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madline. Oh, excuse me. You guys, my face is literally sitting, like, it looks amazing. It looks very flawless, if I do say so myself. But my brother tried me earlier on today talking about my hair, so let me go ahead and fix it really quickly. So this is the final look of, I am loving it. It is matching with my little sweater dress. My face is looking like amazing. Like, this beat is like, it's a beat, okay? It's a beat, okay? So my face so far looking very matte. Everything is like well put together. In the beginning I was like a little bit like, okay, this is too red for me, but when I put everything together, it started to come in beautifully. So this matte foundation is definitely an A+ for me. I am gonna see how it lasts throughout the day. The makeup is looking amazing. Everything blended beautifully, being that, you know, I use the foundation and I use the concealer that goes with the foundation and everything else, so everything blended in very well for me. And also for this palette from Colourpop, Making Moves, it definitely did make some moves today, so I'm very happy about that. Again, if you have not checked out my Rare Beauty review, go ahead and check it out. I was not a fan of this, but now that I know how to use it, baby girl, do you not see this? That is the end of this video. It felt so good to do my makeup. It's been a while since I've done my makeup, so like I'm really feeling myself. So I'm about to take me some, you know, some little pictures for the gram. You know, we have to take some pictures for the gram. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you have not, so you can see this whole look. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And again, if you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl, okay? And last but not least, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.